Ayan guys, mga kalindo, good morning. Happy February 1st. O diba? Nag-i-emote-emote ako. O ayan, ikot-ikot. Ayan, papakita ko rin sa inyo guys, mga kalindog, my orchids. Ayan, they're blooming. O diba, yung mga orchids ko, nag-start na sila talagang mag-flowers. Kahit na super winter. Ito nga pala yung room ng aking father. This is the room of my dad before when he's there. So, ayan guys, I try to fit this, my green outfit for this year because the lucky color is green, blue, and pink. So, kaya ayan guys, I try to make only, ayan, to fit again. So, para pag, or they're coming the summer again, ayan, mag-exercise, sorry guys, mag-exercise ulit tayo. O, diba? Did you like, guys, the color? So, I like it, diba? O, 360. O, ikot pa day. Ikot pa tayo mga dear. O, diba? I'm feeling fresh. Feeling ko lang fresh na fresh ako sa bagong kong salamin, right? Guys, ha? Don't forget to subscribe.